This one go be people where una never go commission, because some people they write some messages they come about now recent days, some commission where they encounter, and it sound like maybe they never see before, or maybe because they are new in the country now, that's why they see like that. This our friend, he said he go to commission, and after he finish the commission they can't give her another appointment, and the appointment where they give her, they not tell am say make he come inside the commission room. They collect him phone number, say they go call her on phone, do a conference call with another Nigerian person, because he come from Nigeria, so that they go interact with her and they go ask her any question where they need to ask. Yeah, why I want to discuss this issue online, may everybody here, if you go commission, not only the Italian commissioner now get power to commission you. The Italian commissioner, which is the territorial commissioner, get the right to invite another maybe Africa person or Nigeria person, where maybe because of the story where you tell them, maybe the Italian person he not come from Niger or he not come from Ghana, so he not understand the actual things where they happen in the country. So they go find who come from that particular country. May you come sit down with one or two. May they discuss the matter. May they know whether you they lie or you know they lie. Now, this part, if you go commission and your situation can't be like that, it's a danger zone. Number one, who they call come, say may you come sit down with you with the Italian woman. May they investigate your matter. If that person a wicked person, that day you must know say now your big negative they go bring for you, because that person why they put down for there, he know everything where you they talk say and this thing they go on in Nigeria. So if the person not come in your favor, but he come to against you, anything where you go talk, you go they tell the commissioner say this one where you they talk, you know they happen for Niger. Now lie, you just they lie. So these things if they happen, sometimes say they go even transfer you to another place where people say you go meet another black person. Now that one to won't interview you. May him send his own report, go give to the territorial commission. Now, the most dangerous thing, maybe if you go the commission, you go read them, and they transfer you, say, go meet one Africa person. You go, maybe the Africa person, now your tribe person. As you reach, he go start. This one has some tricks, and they tell now. He go try to they talk to you, maybe in one language, maybe na Bini, maybe na Igbo, maybe na Urobo person, maybe na Ghana person. He go, they speak Ghana with you. If they try to do something where people say he like you, so try make you open up. You go they tell you, you tell me, you know, say now we now, I know everything where they go on now, tell me the truth, you know, I go no way where I go say arrange the story for you. My dear brother, my dear sister, not do mistake. Tell her anything apart from waiting you tell the commissioner, because the moment where you go change waiting you tell the commissioner to the Africa person, maybe you know say anything where when they do, maybe self camera there inside that room, maybe record that there where everything will go on, they won't go tell the commissioner. Those people they dare to work in favor of the commissioner, not in favor of you. And the more they leak secrets about Africa people, the more commissioners they promote them in the job where they do. So they are on the same, may they do something where go support the territorial commission to do good investigation about you, your story where you they tell them. So that person where you see her, he dey black color like you, but the mind where he takes it down is a mind of Italian commissioner. Now he takes it down with for them. You don't get any favor for you, say because he with you now the same tribe when they speak. So you won't open up different ways from the one where you tell the commissioner, my brother, you are doomed. So you need to be careful in case if you encounter yourself in such situations. And now, one thing where when I still need to again, the moment where you don't start the go commission, anything about your life, both on social media, both on phone call, you need to be very, very vigilant. Because sometimes, maybe you go commissioner, you say my mama don't die, my papa don't die, I don't get any family for Africa. But every day you do on phone, hello mommy, hello daddy, hello how the family. Every day you they call Africa, where you they interrupt with your family member, where you they speak mommy. Now your calls, you know say they fit trace your call, you go to say you they speak Bini. But the territorial commission, that place where they get a lot of Bini people for them, where they work for them, where they translate for people for them. Any language at all where you they speak for Africa, they get them for them. So not try your mind, say maybe you get some trickish way where you go feed do. So we need to be careful in case if you get your commission date or you don't enter commission, because they go review a lot of things about you. But the most important, the most important thing is especially on the things, the discussions when you with that Africa person when won't interpret for you, or commissioner don't transfer you, go meet, say go make that person, may he help you, or make that person interview you. Especially people where they Torino, Piedmonte. Mostly there is one woman where they asked here, I don't want to mention name. Now mostly they transfer migrants, they come they meet for us here, may interview you. I've not said the woman a bad person, because I never encounter anything where you don't do way bad. But there are some things where they happen to most Africa people. I know a guy way back 2017, me with and they come for Torino. The guy they speak Italy well, but as he got commission, now you can say him go use in tribe. They speak for tell you the interview. So the person where they bring come say make you come interview round. Waiting they tell the person, the person go come translate another different issue, give the commissioner. Because in mind they tell and say the boy know they hear Italy. He don't know say the boy self, he don't go university for Italy here. Now that the boy can't tell the commissioner say no, not be waiting me they tell her, because see waiting I tell her and see waiting in they translate for you. Now there the guy in Yash open. You and me, you they hear the Italy to that stance. No. So anything where you they talk, anything where you they talk and waiting they translate, they give that woman, you know they hear anything. That's why it's very, very important to understand a little bit of the Italy, in case if you they go commission, it will help you. Now there are some people, if they are commission where say they don't go Italy 2 years, 3 years, they never go commission, we go divest. In some cases that thing it they help you a lot, because before you go commission, if you don't spend like 3 years for here, at least the language you don't hear to the extent where people say some petty things you go understand. So in case if you are commissioner, they explain or translate different things from the one where you tell the translator, you can challenge the person for that and they will give you another good commissioner. And this one again, to now whenever go the commission, you have the right, before you go to commission, you have the right to tell the commissioner, say you won't make another person, maybe your camp person or another Italian person to follow you to the commissioner. You are allowed to do that. Not be said by force saying that only you need to enter the room. You can tell the commissioner you need an escort. Where that person you go, escort you go. Any person where you trust, where you know say maybe if na PG you won't speak, the person if they hear PG. So in that case, if your translator they translate bad thing, he go fit tell the commissioner say no, not be waiting, my friend. They tell the translator and then be that. Because we know a lot of people who don't encounter many cases like this where like say they go commission, waiting they tell translator, it is different from waiting they write on their storybook where commissioner give them. They go reach us, can people go they translate waiting you talk. You self you go they surprise say now me write this thing, now me talk this thing. Now because of bad interpreter or translator where you get. So the language, this part is very important for you to at least learn it harder and harder. So that if you go, in case they are doing something like that, you can find a way to, at least defend yourself. Now, there is one part, this part is 50-50 for you. To me, or my idea, that's why I said it's 50-50. I explain them for you. Mostly, if you dey go commission, to me, it good may you speak either PG or English. In case, if you can speak PG, it's better you speak PG than speaking Urobo, Bini, or another dialect. Where people say that dialect, Italian person no go fit understand. Why am I telling you this? Is that maybe if you dey speak English to your translator, most of the Italian lawyers and commissioners, they hear English. So it got very hard and difficult for your translator to translate something different to the commissioner, because he knows the commissioner self, he they hear English well. Now, the negative side is, if you speak Bini and you get good interpreter, maybe there are some words where maybe you talk as you explain to them. Because the commissioner know they hear, if you get good translator, he can change that mistake where you do in your statement and give the translator give the commissioner the good statement where like say he knows say it will help you. That one is in case if you get good translator. But the better way is either you pick English and Pidgin, because that language is very common, and most of Italian they hear even the Pidgin. I know person wey be like say Italy person, if you dey knack Pidgin for your head self, you go dey surprised. So that particular places is very important for you where you dey go commission, or you dey go any place where you need translator, to try your best, especially if you dey camp. Try make one of your camp people where you trust, may you follow you go, may they no go change your story where you won't go tell commissioner for them. Now there is some problems where many migrants they encounter. This morning are very hot for us. There are many problems where migrants they encounter our day of C3, the day where we won't go seek for asylum, the day where we go Questura, the first time where we go seek for asylum. If you go, or before you go, can people go bring a lawyer to you? Say, tell them, waiting, carry you from Africa, come abroad. We go, that time we don't enter new. So we go narrate story, give to the translator or to the lawyer. The lawyer, all those stories where you tell them, the camp people, they don't write them down, they don't keep it inside our document. The day when you won't go commission, that story where the first day when you come, you tell them, they go write that story, go give your commissioner, say, see what you tell them. That one and one evidence about your story. Again, the day when you enter the C3 room, the people where they want fingerprint you, give you that C3 paper, that booklet. Those people today will tell you, say, why you travel from Africa to abroad. Now you go still tell them story for them, meaning they don't get two sheets of your story. I don't know whether the first one where you give camp people a different one from the one where you give the Questura that particular day. Now these two stories where you tell the first day in your camp and the second day at the Questura for your C3, all this story, they wait for you the day of your commission. Now here the Wahala day. So if you reach commission, the commissioner will bring these two paper. Either the C3 one or the one where you tell camp people. You go tell you say this C3, see the story where you talk inside the C3. Now you talking or no be you talking. It's either you go say yes or no. If you say yes, they will continue from that story where you give them. If you say no, they will tell you say, okay, no, who write that story? That place, now you know what you will explain to them. Make sure your C3 story, it will not be different from the day of your commission. Make sure your C3 story will not be different from the day of your commission. Now there is another way you can escape that C3 story you told them. Now this is the case. In case if you go and you don't see say that C3. So if your C3 there with you, go look the story where you talk inside that your C3 where you drop. If your C3 question now, you don't stay the country and you don't know say now the story when you tell them the day of your C3, the story no go fit give you paper and you won't change the story. The best thing you can tell the territorial commission, this one a tip, now they give you, no go tell them say na me tell you. The best thing you can tell them is the first time where I enter abroad, many people who I meet, they come say camp people na bad people and they still tell me say I go commission. So the reason why I not tell them they are real, my real story is that I know say I go come commission. I don't want make anybody know any secrets about me. Now only commissioner, I won't make una know wetin happen to me or why I come abroad. That's why I lie to them and I give them that story. So now this is the real story of me because the story is bitter and I don't want anybody to hear my story. In that kind of area, if you go fit drop one cockroach tears, you go drop one cockroach tears. But mind you again, in case if you go commission, you won't cry. May you know the particular cry where you go cry because you get how you go take cry. They go suspend that commission that day for you and they go give you another date. Maybe it go take too long for you to go the another commission. So it's very important, even though you go cry, now just normal tears go drop. Not be say you won't go to cry. They go suspend the commission that day and tell you to come another day. So that one too, we need to think about all these things because some people they go cry one year cry. If you don't take care of you be commissioner, you go just they snap them, say may they get her from may they get her from the chair, may they go. So you must know how you go cry because if they cry many now commission they go stop and they go say come another day and maybe you won't get your paper. Quick. So now when they encounter all these problems, una know how una go fit defend on yourself in case your C3 story, you won't change the C3 story. Maybe you make sure say you go get good reasons why you want to change the story and why you not tell them the real story. Because the camp people, they are trickish. A lot of things about you don't already reach commission commissioner hand before you by yourself you dey go there. So as you read the commissioner, you don't know everything about you. Now you go know how you go present yourself and change your story. Now, for example, there is one way where you go fit do in case maybe you don't come the country and you know say your commission date maybe you go take too long before you go commission. The best thing you can do, the C3 paper, you can just tell them. I know say definitely they go drag with you, say they need story. By me, my own, if my C3, if you know they far from me, I will try one day, I will show the C3 waiting. I tell them the day where I go, they tell me say why I travel from Africa to Europe. Now I tell them say Libya was dangerous for me and my family. They ask me, say, but Libya not be your country. Now I say, yes, but I've migrated. I've stayed there more than 3 years. So I migrated there. That's why I'm standing on Libya. The person, a black person, he said, no, you need to tell story. Because if only this story, commissioner will give you negative. Now tell and say, relax. The day of my commission, I will explain the reason why I said Libya is dangerous for me and my family. That's all. Now they stamp and they sign on for me. So I reach commission. The commissioner, the day where they call me, they read them, they look at, they say you say Libya is dangerous for you and your family. You don't write any story. Why? Now they are telling, I explain, waiting make I say they're dangerous for me. You know, because I don't write anything. When the day of my commission, I will come forget waiting at all. Because there are some camp, if you come, they give you good idea how you go about your things. This thing, how I tell no, that time I knew just 1 month in Italy, but there is a girl where that girl, the girl, an Italian lady named Stella or something. Stella. Now give me the idea, say Hassan, if you go, because the girl like me well, now they help me in all my document issue. Tell me, say Hassan, if you go C3, not write your story, because you know say your wife never reach here. Because the time where I arrived, my wife did Lampedusa and me did Torino here. So the distance can't dey somehow, and we no get phone to know the exact how we go arrange the things where. So he say, Hassan, tell them this. If you and your wife meet, then when I go sit down, when I go know how the real story, when I go feel arrange everything made day well. Because one thing where commissioner they know and we know. All story where we they tell commissioner, not be all be truth thing or red thing will happen. At least we go get one place where we like say we trickishan. They know. But if you want trickishan, you must get the correct way to move on the thing. How you must get the correct point. Not be say you go just do it anyhow. So it's good if you know say you know go remember all your story in the C3. Try not tell them long story. Just summarize small thing for them. Leave the C3 for them. The day of the commission, you go open up and you go tell them everything where you want to tell them. Because one thing where we don't investigate, most of the people, commissioner, they stand on their C3, they give them negative. Because if you read there, you go talk another story. And story where you tell them on your C3 day there. So why you can't snap that story where you first come, where you talk? You know, so commissioner will just say you, waiting you they talk and about that you don't get any point. Because now you write this story. Today now you come, you they tell them another story. Maybe you talk say they won't kill you, now you wrong. Today now you can't change and say now you go kill person. You know, you by yourself. Contradictions there even in your story where you by yourself you they talk. Chinani, I see you, but you don't say your brother are hot, now make cannot greet you. You say how many months for results to come out after you go commission? The result date, you not get time wait till they come. Some go reach 1 year, some 1.5 years, some own self 2 years, some 6 months, 1 month, it depends. Some self 3 days, but the 3 days on, if you not take it and negative they come. I know one boy where you go commission. As you go commission. Before he from the before he from Questura where we want reach us, they don't already write to the camp people say they don't give a negative. Now then you go know say your family people don't send message because say you made they not give you paper. You understand? So the thing you guys be no date. Stacey Adams, he said exactly. He said Stacey Adams, he said when asked some their names, they will just start crying. And now so some people now so it be unnecessary cry. The thing is not ready to cry, they just they won't cry, say when they pity her. That your tears no be anything to them. So you need to arrange your story before you go. No be the cry, they solve everything. Thank you for liking the video, sharing and subscribing to the video. Official Cracker Chidani, I greet all of you now way they here with me. Love TV, I greet you. Yeah, I greet you. Big ups to all of una. Big ups to all of una. Yes. All the fans agree to now. God now go bless una. So my people, more na know as una go arrange the story. If una won't go commission, more na arrange that way. More na no fear. Just arrange the thing. If you arrange that, it will work where for you. Nothing did there. Now just arrangement. Those Africa person. Now so we. Our people when they come, French people, if they go commission, you go see say their people go they help them, they arrange good story for them. But black we where would they speak English? We they dangerous. Now make I say African man, if you want help Africa person, not try say you want help and say tomorrow he will appreciate you. Not try reason that mind. Say you want help Africa person, say tomorrow he go come praise you, say this boy, he really helped me. He go rather come say no, the boy self, he not help me. He dey do pass himself. Now be African man. You no go, even though now one minute help you help him. At least you need to appreciate. But African man go tell you say no, you not help me. Now be Africa. We will never appreciate anything where we by ourselves they do for ourselves. Now be we. So me every year they talk say if I want to do something for person, I don't need to even. I not they expect say tomorrow can't appreciate me. Hey, because me my life where I dey. Sometimes some people they go say Hassan, why you know they promote you, they do this. Me I they do thing if I wish to do, now be my life. If I wish to do, I go do for you. Some people they go bring their business to me, say Hassan, promote this my business. I go tell you, say yeah, we need to do a contract, you go pay me. But some I go just open my own heart. Say I won't do for you. So you what they do for you. If you by yourself get sense. Say, this boy, they really help me. Bro, correct this. Bro, ma give you this. Yes, I appreciate. And if you don't give me, I don't care. Because now me use my mouth and my platform say I won't do one. And you know if you force me. Now there's sometimes some people me with they do encounter. If you come, I will say pay me. Who I say I won't do for free. Now me decide. Because the day where they create my YouTube channel, nobody say he put me on a platform say I'm gonna subscribe to Blacks in Europe. So sometimes if I see some people they go say Blacks in Europe, you don't want to support anybody. Now me saying you say can't do YouTube. Not be me saying you. And the people where I open my mind say